Hi, this is our Calumet City Community Center project. Have you ever wanted a place to maybe get your mind off things or to do something beneficial to your health? Then the Calumet Community Center is the place to go. Between playing basketball and working out, or even swimming in the summer, there are loads of things to do here that you can benefit from. This is our vision of what the Calumet City Community Center will look like. The main purpose of this project is to create jobs and provide a safe environment for people to exercise, relax, play games, drop off their children, or just to simply hang out. This will attract people of all ages due to the many activities you can do in this community center. The location is 154th Place, Calumet City, Illinois, zip code 60409.
With the introduction of a community center, we can see many benefits that come along with it. To start, the public gets a safe place to meet with family and friends. This safe environment will bring people in and allow for community engagement in both recreational activities as well as a variety of different jobs.
Thank you for looking at our proposal. We hope that you will consider Calumet City Community Center when making your decision about the use of this land.
Keep Calumet City smiling.